you guys enjoyed that little trading session. So today was a roller coaster, no question about it. One of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is, as the market has been aggressively selling off, I've been having my best trading weeks the past 2 to 3 weeks. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you is today I was just not working well with the market. Yesterday, even though the market began to recover, there was a very clear direction on natural gas. I ended the day over $2,500. The day before that, I ended the day over $2,500. And today, although I did end up green, again, I'm not complaining. One of the things that I just wanted to share with you is that the idea of some days definitely do come easier than others. There's never an easy day as a day trader. Every single day is challenging, but I'm sure that a lot of you guys can agree to this, and it comes down to like the idea that sometimes you just struggle, and I've kind of just like been in this roller coaster from, market opens here at 6:30. It's 11:10 a.m. It's not such a long time, but when it comes down to how I normally trade, I normally only trade for about 2 hours, and within those 2 hours, I end up achieving these $2,000 or $2,500 for the past 2 weeks. That's been my track record. Last week, I made over $12,000 profit, and this week, I'm already up over $6,000. And I just struggled so much today. So one of the things that I started to pick up on is, first of all, the direction from when the market opens at 6:30 to how it's been trading is very inconsistent. So my bread and butter is natural gas. And I just have to understand right now that natural gas is consolidating, and I normally perform very well when natural gas is consistently uptrending or consistently downtrending, when the direction is clear. I think a lot of us can agree to that, where, whatever it is that you focus on, if there's a clear direction, it's much easier. It's not easy, but it's much easier because it keeps it super simple to be able to understand, what to pay attention to and what to trade and what to avoid. But today, because of the continuous change of directions, altogether, I just was not working well with it. I became so fed up that I kind of collected my thoughts, and I was just like, I should really stop trading, because I know that, although there is opportunity, first of all, I see natural gas to be overbought right now. It does have pullback potential, but I have to understand that, day trading, a huge part of it has to do and deal with the emotional aspect and how you manage it. Risk management is something that I've always really struggled with, and emotions added to that risk management it's just a formula that I don't think is set up for success. Overall, with the 1% challenge, I ended up hitting 1.35%, as you guys saw within the live trading session, and I'm super grateful, and I'm very excited to see how tomorrow plays out. But altogether, by understanding my mental state right now and how fed up I am and how irritated I am, I just do not feel that I am in a state right now where I can continue to trade and manage my risk accordingly. The making money part is easy. It's the risk management part that a lot of people struggle with. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you is, anytime that you find yourself trying to revenge trade, which means that you're trying to make money back that you lost, you're trying to overtrade, or altogether you're just very, very upset with what it is that's going on, maybe not just even on the stock market side, but maybe something's going on in your personal life. Altogether, in my experience, in my opinion, that's all I'm sharing it from, is I have found myself to make more mistakes and dig myself in a deeper hole when I continue to trade, when I understand and I'm aware that I am not in a mental state to trade and control my emotions. Regardless if you ended today in the red or you actually ended up hitting the 1% challenge goal, altogether, if you walk away and you ended up being in the red, but you collected your thoughts and you're like, hey, I'm gonna just close it out here and I'm gonna revisit this tomorrow, I think that is a step moving forward to becoming a more consistent and profitable day trader. That's a big step that a lot of people don't take, and it's just becoming self-aware. One of the things that I do want to announce is I do want to congratulate our giveaway winner that we announced on Instagram. One of the things that I want to announce today is we do plan on doing a Learn Plan Profit giveaway. We wanted to do a Learn Plan Profit staycation, which means that we select a random Learn Plan Profit member, fly them out to visit us here in Arizona and spend 2 to 3 days here with the TechBuds team. We've done it in the past before, but today, just due to the coronavirus and the unfortunate circumstances, that's just not something that I think is in anyone's best interest. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be announcing a challenge later today for the Learn Plan Profit group. There's going to be incentive in the monetary aspect, and what I'm going to be focusing on is, again, not who makes the most money, because someone that makes a lot of money one day out of the month is not that impressive to me, but it's someone who can consistently grow their account, and understand what it is that they're doing that I find to be impressive. So make sure that if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, or that if you're thinking of joining the Learn Plan Profit group, that you stay tuned in the Learn Plan Profit Discord chat, because I will be announcing the giveaway in the announcement section later tonight. Like always, guys, I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you guys haven't done so already. And don't forget to join our free investing group. That's gonna be that first link down below. If you guys wanna watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, that's the Learn Plan Profit group that you heard me talk about. Tomorrow's my favorite day-to-day trade. It's the natural gas report, and I would love for you guys to tune on in and watch me trade live. Click the second link and learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group and see if it's a good fit for you. All together, guys, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.